guys, and today I will show you how to make something like this in your Minecraft world. And this is my forever world. Like, I made this like yesterday. And I'm just gonna show you how to make the Aether portal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you have to get glowstone. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2. And then you're gonna get blue stained glass and my connected glass texture back. Wait, I thought, yeah, that texture back's private. And use a barrier block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Or you can use glowstone. I'm using barrier blocks. And there you have it. An Aether portal. Okay, this is what it looks without the glass, and this is what it looks with the glass. Anyways, bye guys.